Okay folks, we have some food scraps we're gonna dump in this hole right here. This is a way to get rid of your food scraps by digging a large hole, and we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle this in there. Okay, so we're gonna take some of this dry leaf vegetation and just cover that up. So again, this is how you get rid of all your food scraps, things like paper towel rolls. You can see down in here, egg carton, some apples that went bad. So let's go ahead and toss this in the hole. Pineapple, oranges, garlic. So we're gonna just sprinkle it just like that. Okay folks, a few days later, I have some more compost from my kitchen. Okay, here's what we have. We have some coffee grinds, eggshells, onion, some old rotting citrus, banana peel, green onion. Here's some pineapple pieces, onion, more coffee grinds. Again, sprinkle this on, dust it. You can also go ahead and just take your foot and kind of push it down a little bit. Once you sprinkle the leaves or whatever you have on top. We've got some more stuff for the compost pile. Now what you see on top of here, these are paper towel rolls, and we just cut them up into pieces just to help them decompose a little quicker. Okay, we'll see what else we got. These are egg cartons. You can break them up as well. So this is a carbon source. It can be dried leaves, those paper towel rolls, egg cartons. And let's see, now we got some broccoli, pineapple, coffee grinds, some old oranges, banana peel. So let's get it kind of flat, like that. And then we'll sprinkle over the top of it some more dry leaves. Okay, right under this tree, you can see there's tons of these leaves that dropped. And we're gonna use these to mix in with the compost. And this will not only help it break down quicker, but also keep rodents away. So this is the carbon source, some type of leaf material, dried preferably. Okay, we're just gonna sprinkle over the top. Okay, that's looking good. Got some more food scraps. Pineapple, eggshell, onion, coffee grinds, banana peel, avocado pits, avocado peel, some more paper towel rolls, pineapple. Okay, so now, right here I have some leaves after a windstorm from this pepper tree. I have a bunch of leaves. Sprinkle that on top. Let's see what we got here. Eggshell, some garlic peel, some onion peel, coffee grinds, lemon, some old kiwi, banana peel. Okay, there we go. Try to make it level. Okay. Okay, we got some more compost to put in over here in our compost pile. So again, this is just like a lasagna layering technique. So we'll do a thin layer of this. Now I have some other dried leaves here. ahead and push that down. You can use your foot. Occasionally pack this down with your foot. Kind of compress everything. That'll allow you to get more in there. So anywhere you can get any type of dry leaves, any material from trees around your property. Okay, that looks good. Okay, we got some more goodies for the compost pile. Let me show you what we have. Okay, we have some old zucchini, some onion, garlic. Let me show you what this is. This right here is a vegetable tray that you get when you get the zucchinis and different vegetables. And it's a cardboard material, recyclable. This breaks down really quick as well. Okay, we have the zucchini, onion, garlic peels. Okay, we got some dry leaves. This is from a pepper tree. Leaves from a pepper tree that blew off in the wind. All right, folks, more goodies for the compost pile. Okay, we have another pineapple top. Let's see if we can get this thing to grow.
Celery, kiwi, lemon, eggshell, paper towel roll, onion, garlic, pineapple, bell pepper. Again, it's kind of flattened out. Can I get some mulch or some leaves?
So it's basically like a lasagna. Layer after layer. I'm gonna get just a little bit more. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is compress it with my foot. Pack it in. All right, guys. One more time, adding food scraps to the compost pile. Banana, onion, avocado, green onions. So go ahead and soak this really good. Make sure you keep this nice and damp. This will really help speed up the process as well. Really quick, really easy. This is about the easiest compost method that you can do. Okay guys, last day of composting for this video. Let's go ahead and dump this in.
So it's been about 30 or 40 days, I believe. You can see here there's avocado peels, onion, eggshells, coffee grinds, egg cartons.
And now what we have here is, this is some wood shavings from a bare root fruit tree that it came in. So we can use this. Let's go ahead and smash that down. So try to compress it each time, or every other time. That'll allow you to get a lot more in the compost pile. So you can see here, I can probably still do this for another couple weeks at least, until it gets to the top. You can see still have about 6 inches more to go. So we've been doing this for 5 or 6 weeks, and if you watch the whole video, you can see a lot of material has gone into here. So that's how you do it, you guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're not throwing away your food scraps, just going into the trash can, as all this material can turn into rich organic soil to grow more plants. All right guys, we'll see you next time. Click like, comment below, and we'll see you on the next one.